Hi, it's Malia, and we're in my kitchen again, but we are not cooking today. We are doing some maintenance of your brushes. It's very important to wash your brushes every month or so to keep them clean, disinfected, help your makeup go on better. So I thought I'd show you a quick tutorial on how to clean your brushes. First of all, hair brushes. Those need to be washed about twice a month because you brush your hair all the time, even when you need to wash it, and that oil goes into the brush, and then you wash your hair and you brush it. Well, guess what? Now the oil goes back into your clean hair. So it's important to keep your hairbrush clean. You know that you have to pull the hair out first, but make sure you get a comb and you actually comb your brush. All right, so you're going to comb it, and all kinds of little bits of dirt and dust are going to come out, and you pull that off, put it in the trash, get as much out as you can, and then I've got some hot soapy water. Turn it face down, and you're going to submerge your brush. So it's going to soak there for maybe 15-20 minutes, and then you simply rinse it, rub it in a towel, and you're good to go when it dries. So that's your hairbrush. Wash it frequently. It's really important to keep your hair clean. Now, on to your makeup brushes. All right, so divide them up. I've just got a few here, but you can do 3 or 4 at a time. All right, let me grab my gloves. Not everybody uses gloves, but I do, because you can get your water a lot hotter with gloves on. And it's better for the disinfecting if you have nice hot water. So, gloves. Dish soap, not shampoo, not bar soap, not nothing. Dish soap. You want something that is going to cut oil and grease, right? Because a lot of cosmetics are not water soluble. So we're going to moisten our brushes, put a little bit of soap, and you see, you just rub them back and forth in your hand. And the first couple times that you won't get much of a lather, and you'll see all the color of what you've been using over the past couple weeks coming out in your hand. Once the lather rinses white and clear, your brush is clean. So then you rinse it. You have to rinse them longer than you think. The soap does get trapped in the bristles. So make sure that you rinse, rinse, rinse. And then rinse some more, and then rinse some more. All right, squeeze it out, and let me get this other batch here. You can do 3 or 4 at a time. Just pick a few that are the same size bristle and run them back and forth in your palm. You can see they're dirty. And then we're going to do it again. There we go. The small ones don't take as long. But you don't want all this extra bacteria building up. You know, it's kind of gross. So keep them clean. We'll get this little guy. Oh, I use this one for dark shadow and liner, so it's got a lot of dark in there. Okay, so they're clean. You're going to lay them on a towel, and then I'll show you what's next. So you have them all on your towel now. You need to make sure you've got a clean towel, obviously. So now we're going to squeeze them so that they dry faster. So you just fold your towel over the bristles and push down. Make sure that you never pull on your bristles. Don't hold them and pull, because you're going to pull the bristles right out. So it's important that you just push and not pull. So with the bigger ones, I just kind of get up there and put my weight on it, and you'll get a lot of water out of these brushes. And then they're going to dry a lot faster. The best time to do this is in the evening when you're finished for the day. Dry them off, lay them out, and they're going to dry by morning. They'll be all fresh and dry. Okay, then you reshape them by tapping them against your hand, and then you're going to hang them over the edge of your counter. So they're open to the air. They get a nice breeze. There. So now all the air is going to circulate. Where are you? There you are. Hello. That's going to circulate and dry them overnight, and I think you're going to enjoy it. So enjoy, have fun. Thank you. Happy cleaning.